Hello everyone. Our topic for today's presentation is control access protocols. So today we will learn what is control access and what are control access methods. Control access. In control access, the stations consult one another to find which station has the right to send. A station cannot send unless it has been authorized by other stations. We discuss three popular control access methods, which are reservation, polling, and token passing. Reservation. In the reservation method, a station needs to make a reservation before sending data. Time is divided into intervals. In each interval, a reservation frame precedes the data frames sent in that interval. If there are n stations in the system, there are exactly n reservation mini slots in the reservation frame. Each mini slot belongs to a station. When a station needs to send a data frame, it makes a reservation in its own mini slot. The stations that have made reservations can send their data frames after the reservation frame. This figure shows a situation with 5 stations and 5 mini slot reservation frame. In the first interval, only stations 1, 3 and 4 have made reservations. In the second interval, only station 1 has made a reservation. So the second method is polling method. Polling works with topologies in which one device is designated as primary station and the other devices are secondary stations. All data exchanges must be made through the primary device even when the ultimate destination is a secondary device. The primary device controls the link, the secondary device follows its instructions. It is up to the primary device to determine which device is allowed to use the channel at the given time. The primary device therefore is always the initiator of a session. If the primary wants to receive data, it asks the secondaries if they have anything to send. This is called poll function. If the primary wants to send the data, it tells the secondary to get ready to receive. This is called select function. The select function is used whenever the primary device has something to send. Now remember that the primary controls the link. If the primary is neither sending nor receiving data, it knows the link is available. If it has something to send, the primary device sends it. What it does not know, however, is whether the target device is prepared to receive. So the primary must alert the secondary to upcoming transmission and wait for an acknowledgement of the secondary's ready status. Before sending data, the primary creates and transmits the select frame, one field of which includes the address of the intended secondary. And the other function, which is the poll function, is used by the primary device to solicit transmissions from the secondary devices. When the primary is ready to receive data, it must ask or poll each device in turn if it has anything to send. When the first secondary is approached, it responds either with a NAK frame if it has nothing to send, or with data if it does. If the response is negative, that is a NAK frame, then the primary polls the next secondary in the same manner until it finds one with data to send. When the response is positive, the primary reads the frame and returns an acknowledgement, which is a ACK frame, verifying its receipt. Now the third method is token passing. In the token passing method, the stations in a network are organized in a logical ring. In other words, for a station, there is a predecessor and a successor. The predecessor is the station which is logically before the station in the ring. The